Welcome to Health Universe.
Hello, class. Today we're going to discuss the 10 benefits of walking. Before we get started, it's important to know that walking is one of the most effective cardio exercises you can do and is also appropriate for all fitness levels. All right, let's get started. Benefit number one, walking burns calories. Burning calories can help you maintain or lose weight. The way you burn calories actually depends on several factors. These factors are walking speed, distance covered, terrain, flat ground or mountainous areas yield different results, and also your body weight. Benefit number two, strengthens your heart. Since cardio is anything that speeds up your heart rate, walking is a good way to increase your heart and lung fitness. Here's a secret about cardio. The sauna is a great form of cardio. It increases your heart rate and makes you burn calories. Since the calves act as a venous pump, walking also reduces blood clots. Benefit number three, boost the immune system function. Studies have shown that walking may reduce the risk of you getting the flu or cold. One study tracked 1,000 adults during flu season. Those who walked at a moderate pace for 30 to 45 minutes a day had 43% fewer sick days and fewer upper respiratory tract infections. Their symptoms were also lessened if they did get sick. That was compared to adults in the study who were not active. This type of exercise is perfect for people who live in a cold climate. Also, you can walk on a treadmill or maybe even an indoor mall, which is always fun. Benefit number four, increasing your energy levels. This is for people that think maybe they don't have enough energy. Believe it or not, walking increases energy levels. With every step, you are training your body to become stronger. Benefit number five, increasing your social life. Walking can increase your social life by having a common interest with other people who enjoy a healthy lifestyle. Having a good social life is also a good way to fight depression. Benefit number six, walking supports joint health. The majority of joint cartilage has no direct blood supply. It gets its nutrition from joint fluid that circulates as we move. Movements and compression from walking squishes the cartilage, bringing oxygen and nutrients into the area. Benefit number seven, walking can help lower your blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels are affiliated with diabetes, tiredness, gum disease, and trouble thinking clearly. So another great example how walking is a fantastic benefit. Let's move right along. Benefit number eight. Now this benefit is especially useful for elderly people or even family members who love the elderly people in their family. Walking can lower the risk of Alzheimer's. A study in the University of Virginia Health System in Charlottesville found that men between the ages of 71 and 93 who walked more than a quarter of a mile per day had 50% less incidence of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. That's good information. Benefit number nine, creative thinking. Walking may help clear your head and help you to think more creatively. Researchers and many walking enthusiasts claim that walking outdoors helps you think of new ideas. So for all you hard workers out there, try to initiate a walking meeting with your colleagues the next time you're stuck on a problem at work. Benefit number 10, improve sleep. Studies have proven that women between the ages of 50 and 75 who took 1 hour morning walks were more likely to relieve insomnia than those who didn't walk. So there we go, everybody. Those are the top 10 benefits of walking. Please remember to like and subscribe all of our media pages, and also share with your friends and family.